it's a great
It's really
opportunity,
true. The
and I
page
would
is doing
encourage.
really great work. A lot
Yeah,
of
I would.
students, I see a lot of students at CBS who are lost, who are not sure if they
Yeah,
actually want to pursue academia as a career. So I guess it's a very good opportunity that that they are getting. Even I am
yeah,
getting.
yeah. People should interact with our seniors because all of our seniors are so chill about interacting, and they are super excited to
Mhm.
interact with the juniors as well. So they people should take this opportunity and should interact with them as much as possible. Like it's an opportunity that is given to you, and you should avail it.
This
So,
is true, yeah. So
so I,
CBS Alumni ESL happens to be our sister channel. So people who are following CBS Lifestyle, make sure that you follow CBS Alumni ESL as well. You'll find its social media handle in our bio.
and so tell us about something like CBS lifestyle also.
Well,
Like
Corona has tried its every bit to keep us away from the campus. So we are
yeah,
doing our best to bring it closer to you, uh, to bring you closer to the memories that people have made at CBS, to for Quanta 14 to know about the memories that people can make at CBS. It's very
actually,
sad being a COVID batch. Yeah.
yeah, like I guess your batch is the worst. Well, like not. I would like to say that the batch that got the worst hit of COVID. Like
Yeah.
your Quanta 14 would be like okay, sometime they would spend in homes at max, but you guys got the most out of
We don't
COVID.
even know what we are missing. That's the worst part.
Yeah,
Or maybe that's the best part. I don't know.
yeah. So yeah, no, because you miss your first year. The first year is like super fun.
And
Yeah, think of it. Yeah, and by the way, people can talk to our seniors regarding this, like CBS, how actually life in CBS was and is, and could compare, and they can do because as she was saying that she don't know that what they are missing. Talk to our seniors; they will tell you what you are missing. Like they have a complete 5 year experience.
Circle of Life says emotionally yes, but academically no. I guess that was on what we are missing, on how
Oh
much we are missing, I guess.
no,
I
on
guess it is
academic.
academically too because we are not getting, you cannot get the right kind of exposure by studying on a screen. Uh,
Yeah.
it's not the same. I mean, we have
So
done practicals without actually going to labs. So that speaks a lot about what we are missing academically.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I
So
guess you can call now the because
exactly,
I
yeah,
think
that's what I was also thinking. We have a good number of people now, and then we should start. This is a good time to
yeah.
start. All right.
So
Thank you for
I'll
joining us, Harsh. It was nice to have
yeah.
you.
Thank
People, please follow the CBS Alumni ESL. You can find its Instagram handle in our bio. Thank you,
yeah.
Harsh. See you
Thank
later.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
All right. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is the first ever Instagram live by CEBS Lifestyle that we are going to call Entrepenido, which is Spanish for something that I'll let you guys figure out. We have a solid lineup for you this evening. We hope that you really, really enjoy this evening. It takes your mind off the stresses of life, of academics, of deadlines, of the pandemic, of what's happening in and around the world. We hope that you have a very, very good time with us this evening. Thank you so much for joining us. All right, so let's begin. I'll tell you what we have in store for you today. We have participants who are going to dance, participants who will sing. It's primarily a musical night, but that's not the end of it. There are people who will recite something if there is a very strong poetry for you in line. And more importantly, there is a surprise chief guest that you won't know until you stay with us till the end. I guess we should get started now. So, our first performer is Shruti Gupta from Conta 14, a lady with grace, a lady with beauty, and with excellent dance moves. Hello, Shruti, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good too. So,
Nice.
how has lockdown life been?
An unpleasant experience.
Your voice is not very clear, it's very feeble.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, better. Hi,
So
you're looking
I
very
was just
pretty.
saying that it was a. Thank you so much. So, so this lockdown experience is quite unpleasant, and I want everything to open as soon as possible.
I can feel that. So, what are you going to perform for us today?
I'll be performing on Savarlu from Lutera.
Okay, that's beautiful. So, I will leave the audience to you and you can get started whenever you are comfortable. Audience, please comment, please react, please show some love for our beautiful performer here. Also, a little heads up for people who have joined us as part of the audience. There will be about a 30-second lag between our video and our comments. So if I cannot reply to your comments immediately or maybe answer your questions or take your requests, please be a little mindful of this gap that there is on Instagram Lives. We cannot help with that. I'm so sorry. Shruti, can we start?
Yeah, we can
All
hear.
right. All right. Best of luck. Have fun.
I'll just check for the voice first. I mean, if
Sure.
you're able to hear it.
Sure.
So you're able to hear it?
The song, no.
No?
No. Me, Kakon Ghosh says love for Shruti and also for our beautiful host. Thank you, Kakon.
Is still unable to hear the song?
No. Thank you, Khatrokomos. Yeah.
Huh? Pardon?
Yes. Kakon Ghosh says all the best, Shruti. So does Harish Kumar. Thank you.
हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियां जो भवरे आके रूठ गए, बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों न मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं। ये सारी कोयलें बनी है आज डाकिया, कुहू कुहू में चिट्ठियां पढ़े मजा किया। ये सारी कोयलें बनी है आज डाकिया, कुहू में चिट्ठियां पढ़े मजा किया। इन्हें कहो कि ना छुपाए किसने है लिखा बताए उसकी आज में नजर उतार सवार 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 सवार।
Amazing. That's just ravishing.
Thank you.
R.K. Badra says, oh, graceful. Harsh Kumar says, great. Anindya says, wonderful. Santro Kumar says, too great. Very nice. Awesome. Wow. It's a range of amazing comments from the audience.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. Thanks for this opportunity. Thank you for the opportunity.
It was great to have you. Thank you. Awesome, Shruti.
Thank you
There
so
are a lot
much.
of amazing comments here.
Thank you.
Not
Thank you
so
so much.
calm, he says, too good.
Thanks.
So, since when have you
Thanks for
been
all your
dancing?
love. Uh, I've been dancing since I was in third standard.
Ah,
Like
that
I
shows.
was trained. I was trained for this in like I was trained for Kathak for 2 years. After
Oh,
that,
okay.
because of the school and the timings, I just left it. And you gave me the opportunity to just connect back to dance. Thank you so much for that.
You're most welcome. It was our pleasure. Thank you for joining us. It was great to have you. All
Thank you
right.
so much. Okay. I'll take your leave then. Bye bye.
Bye bye. All right. Rajashri Mitra has joined us. So, moving on, audience, please, if you have questions, just a heads up, if you have questions, please drop them in the question tabs. And if you have comments, please use the regular chat section. That would be great. Moving on, next in line, we have our Dilli Di Kudi, Dilli Wali, Anindya Priyadarshini from Quanta 14. And she'll join us in a minute. Can we have you, Anindya? Are you there? I think she'll join us. These things happen online. It's all right. The comment section seems dead suddenly. People, are you there? Jago Janta, what happened? Deepak G underscore 3 has joined us. Thank you for joining. Tanveer Tadavi says, bring back the memories of Symphonia Eve. Though I haven't seen Symphonia because I haven't been to campus yet, but from what I have heard, we are trying to do that. Anindya, you must have received the invitation. Can you please join that?
Hi,
Hello, Anindya. Hi, how are you?
yeah, I'm good. What about you?
I'm good too. So, how has life been lately?
Yeah, sorry, I couldn't
Is the
hear.
I'm asking you how has life been lately with the lockdown and online college and whatnot.
It was quite boring, to be honest. And the college was still better than the preparation days during the lockdown. And
Mm-hmm.
I got to know
Agreed.
a number of things like, and absolutely this platform is quite, uh, I'm really glad to perform here, and thanks for giving me the opportunity.
We are
And
glad to have you. It's our pleasure.
after my admission in CEBS, now I really feel that the college should reopen. We are missing a lot of things by just sitting in front of the screen whole day.
Yes, agreed. Though CBS Lifestyle is trying to bring the campus closer to you, but it is nowhere near to the real experience.
Yeah,
To
yeah,
be honest, to be very, very honest.
that's a normal thing.
Okay. So, should we start? What are you going to perform for us today?
Yeah, I'm going to sing "Kehna Hi Kya" by Chitra ma'am.
Beautiful. That's a lovely song. All right.
Thank
So,
you.
I'll go off screen and you can begin when you are comfortable. Best of luck. Have fun.
Thank you so much. कहना ही क्या ये नैन एक अनजान से जो मिले चलने लगे मोहब्बत के जैसे ये सिलसिले अरमान ऐसे दिल में खिले जिनको कभी मैं न जानूं वो हमसे हम उनसे कभी ना मिले कैसे मिले दिल ना जानूं अब क्या करे क्या नाम ले कैसे उन्हें मैं पुकारूं कहना ही क्या ये नैन एक अनजान से जो चलने लगे मोहब्बत के जैसे ये सिलसिले, कहना ही क्या इन होठों ने मांगा सरगम सरगम, तू और तेरा ही प्यार है। आंखें ढूंढे हैं जिसको हरदम हरदम, तू और तेरा ही प्यार है। शर्म थोड़ी थोड़ी आए तो नजरें झुक जाए, सितम थोड़ा थोड़ा हम पे होश हवा की ऐसे आए। आज मिली ऐसी खुशी छोटी दुनिया ये मेरी, हमको पाया तो पाया जिंदगी, कहना ही क्या ये नैन एक अनजान से जो मिले, चलने लगे मोहब्बत के जैसे ये सिलसिले, कहना ही क्या। Thank you.
That was lovely. Thank you for performing for us in India. That was great. Thank
Thank you so
you.
much.
So, did music help you pass the lockdown?
Yeah, absolutely. I used to listen a lot of songs and a lot of genre, and I used to practice, but not that. I just love to sing. I'm really, honestly speaking, I'm not good at singing. I just love to sing. That's
Okay.
it's just
You should. So, there are a lot of great comments. Harsh Kumar says, awesome, क्या बात है, क्या सही गाती है यार, says Spectacle of Life. Kaikon Ghosh says, perfect. Vishwas Srivastav, whoa. Melodious says, easy set 13. There are a lot of good comments. R.K. Bhadra says, great, superb, amazing, lovely performance, awesome, superb. So, what would you say to that?
Yeah, thank you everyone for wonderful comments. I really feel glad that you liked it, and I really feel pleased. It's my pleasure to perform for you or to join you. Thank you so much.
The pleasure is all ours. Thank you for performing for us. I guess I can send you off now.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
All
Thank
right.
you so much.
All right.
Thank
Bye bye. Bye, Nindra.
Yeah. How to?
You can just click the back button.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm. All right. Moving on. Next, we have in line sort of a stand-up comedy performance. We have Harsh with us, who is going to tell us about some incidents and anecdotes of his school life. Harsh, can you join us now?
Hello. Yeah, I'm back.
Hello. It's nice to hello to you again. It's nice to have you. Yeah.
Yeah. So, I was asked to perform a stand-up, like, मेरा बहुत मन था स्टैंड अप करने का, बट अब मैंने सोचा स्टैंड अप करते ही हैं एक बार, ठीक है. So basically I'll be just telling my experience about CBS. Like, do you know what a small X-ray is?
I think I've heard about it. I'd like to
Okay.
hear it
So,
about
see,
it from you.
हाँ, हम बताएंगे ना. देखो, स्मॉल एक्सरे होता है बेसिकली, एक हमारे मित्र हैं दीपक, ठीक है, उनके पैर में लग गई थी चोट. हमने एक जगह बोर्ड पढ़ा कि यहाँ लिए जाते हैं स्मॉल एक्सरे. हम मतलब मजाक करके वहां पे ऐसे जाके, मुंबई की बात है, वहां पे ऐसे जाके कहते हैं भैया एक चाहिए हमको स्मॉल एक्सरे. सो बिकॉज क्योंकि हमारा थोड़ा सा यूपी वाला एक्सेंट है तो उसमें बात कर रहे थे, तो कहते हैं अच्छा. तो बेसिकली टू कट द स्टोरी शॉर्ट, स्मॉल एक्सरे का होता है
Harsh, we lost you for like 5 seconds. Can you please go again?
Sorry. Yeah, sorry. So yeah, I was telling about a small X-ray. So basically small X-ray जो होता है ना, वो डेंटिस्ट करते हैं, एंड वो होता है मुंह का. ठीक, हमारे मित्र हमें लेके गए थे स्मॉल एक्सरे एंकल का करवाने, मतलब एंकल कैलाश डेंटिस्ट के पास करवाने गए थे. So basically this is how CBS like does stuff for you. And I guess you guys must have heard about a lab incident. So the lab incident was, नाम नहीं लूंगा लैब का, नहीं तो तुम्हें सबको पता चल जाएगा कि सुभोजीत सर की लैब के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ भाई। मजाक करके 47 में से 17 बच्चों को सर ने लैब से निकाला था, एंड इट वाज लाइक वी वर जस्ट 15 मिनट्स लेट, सर हमारे साथ साथ आ रहे थे। मतलब ऐसा था मेरे और सर के एंट्री के टाइम, मतलब लैब एंट्री के टाइम में सिर्फ डीटी टाइम का अंतर था। मतलब वो बंदा मेरे से बात करता हुआ आ रहा है, यहाँ तक आ रहा है, बात कर रहा है, हाँ हाँ ठीक है ये एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे, ये करेंगे, ये करेंगे। डीटी टाइम जैसे उसने पैर रखा लैब के अंदर, कहता बाहर भगो। कहा अरे इतनी जल्दी मेरी एक्स नहीं पलटी थी यार जितनी जल्दी आप पलट गए अपनी बात से। अभी तक बात करते आ रहे मेरे से, मतलब और भाई हाँ ठीक है ये एक्सपेरिमेंट कर लेंगे, अच्छा अच्छा तुमने लैब रिपोर्ट बना ली। मतलब एक पैर उसने अंदर रखा, मैंने कहा इसमें कौन सी बात है, बाहर निकलो भगो। तो बाहर बाहर निकले, फिर हम मतलब 17 बच्चे, मतलब 17 बच्चे जब मतलब उससे निकलते हैं ना लैब से, तो सब मतलब ग्रुप में पूरे में डिमोटिवेशन सा था, वो थे कि उदास उदास से हो गए थे। तो हमने सोचा देखो ये हमारा टाइम है अपनी इंग्लिश का यूज करने का। तो मेरी इंग्लिश ऐसी है जैसी मतलब जैसे हाँ मतलब बहुत घटिया है, बहुत खराब, मतलब जिस, हाँ ठीक है तो समझ जाओगे कि हमने स्पीच अपनी हमने उन्हें दी, फिर मोटिवेटिंग स्पीच मत। तो उस मोटिवेटिंग स्पीच की शुरुआत ऐसे थी कि सर व्हाट इज दिस, वी यू एंटर फर्स्ट, डीटी टाइम फर्स्ट, जस्ट यू एंटर, लाइक यू टॉक विद अस, यू एंटर फर्स्ट, यू से गेट आउट, व्हाट द हेल। तो शुभजीत सर वाला वो इंसिडेंट बड़ा मतलब यार मिस करते हैं हम, याद आता है काफी। एक शुभजीत, एंड यूजुअली मतलब हम उन्हें अपने सीनियर्स को बताया कि हमारी हॉस्टल्स ऐसे हैं कि हॉस्टल्स के पास में क्लासेस हैं, सीनियर्स की क्लासेस चल रही थी। सीनियर्स कहते हैं यार तुम्हारी तो लैब होनी चाहिए, तुम कहाँ घूम रहे हो। ठीक है, हमने कहा सर भैया निकाल दिए गए हम लैब से। कहते उदास उदास दिख नहीं रहे। 17 में से 8 बच्चे वॉलीबॉल खेल रहे थे, मतलब आई गेस धूप में, 3-4 बजे की धूप में वॉलीबॉल खेल रहे थे मजे से। उन्हें नहीं लेना देना, लैब से निकाल दिया, ये हो गया या क्योंकि पता नहीं कैसे इतने बहुत मोटिवेट हो चुके थे ना वो, बहुत ज्यादा चल। फिर उसके बाद हमने प्रॉपर एक फोटो शूट करा, एंड वी डिसाइडेड इंस्टेड ऑफ क्लीनिंग टेस्ट ट्यूब्स वी विल बी क्लीनिंग आवर रूम्स। तो सबने मतलब सबके रूम्स पूरे बाहर थे, मतलब जो जो लैब से निकाले गए थे उन सबके रूम्स के सारे सामान वगैरह सब बाहर थे। तो दिस वाज वन इंसिडेंट जो कि सीबीएस में, एंड सीबीएस इज लाइक काफी मतलब काफी हंसी मजाक होता रहता है। And एक स्कूल का इंसिडेंट याद आता है उससे, मतलब सीबीएस के कुछ कि कभी बंक करा, मतलब यार तुम्हारे लिए तो यार बंक करना भी इजी है, क्या करना है तुम्हें, माइक ऑफ करना है, कैमरा ऑफ करना है, बस हो गया बंक। ठीक है, हमारे लिए पता है कितनी मेहनत लगती है बंक करने के लिए। तो हमने एक बार स्कूल में बंक करा था, तो इट वाज इंग्लिश की क्लास थी, एंड हम मतलब स्कूल में 220 IQ के साथ गए थे बंक करने। तो 24 हमारे मतलब 48-49 बच्चों की क्लास थी। तो उस दिन एक तो बच्चे ही कम आए थे, उस दिन आए थे 20 बच्चे। ठीक है, उसमें से भी 8 चले गए बंक पे, एंड मतलब 8 चलो गए तो गए, बाकी जो बचे हुए थे 12 को, उनको कहते कि यार चलो यार चलते हैं, साथ साथ लेके चलते हैं ना, क्या करोगे तुम इंग्लिश पढ़ के। तो पूरे मतलब 10 मिनट के बाद टीचर आ रही है, यहाँ से टीचर आ रही है, एंड यहाँ से बच्चे निकल रहे हैं। पता नहीं क्या तो सोच रहे थे उनकी, क्या कुछ तो करेंगे। फिर एक जगह जाके सब एक ही जगह जाके बैठ गए, फिर कहते अच्छा अब यहाँ से थोड़ी पकड़े जाएंगे हम। तो फिर बहुत बहुत सुताई हुई यार, मतलब घर पे भी आके बहुत सुताई हुई। तो हाँ, ये काफी सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस यार तुम लोग मिस कर गए। तो आई गेस दैट वाज माय टाइम। तो
All right, that was great. Thank you. There were a lot of comments which I think were your friends. आपकी इंग्लिश की बहुत तारीफ हुई है. People are requesting you to speak in English. और
yeah, see,
yes.
my English is like how you are good, I good. I doesn't do anything. Today I try speak English तक. हमारी इंग्लिश इतनी खत्म हो जाती है. Okay. Yeah.
अंशुमन और 2006 अंग्रेजी सुन के मोटिवेट हुए थे भाई उस दिन.
Yeah. Okay. See, that speech was.
I would like to know more about that speech. Yes.
Yeah.
Sometime later maybe. We want speech once more, says Anshuman.2002.
See, उसे मतलब मैं बोल तो दूंगा, बट वो थोड़ा सा पॉलिटिकली इनकरेक्ट हो जाएगा.
There were some comments that said that Subhajit sir is connected with us on the live.
What?
So
Sir, see, I am sorry. I was just joking. See, ये जो जोक होते हैं सर, ये मतलब हंसी मजाक की चीजें हैं, ये दिल पे नहीं लेते.
रिस्पेक्ट तो दिल में है ही ना.
सुभजीत सर से डर लगता है यार, वो मतलब बहुत खतरनाक इंसान है।
वो he is probably connected with us on the live. That's what I'm telling you.
सॉरी सर।
He has great spirits. I don't think he would mind. Or we must have at least received a comment from him by now.
या लाइक
You
ओके,
should have given a
चलो तो
disclaimer, you know.
या मतलब अब चलो देखो, अब आएगा सीबीएस से हमारा सस्पेंशन लेटर कि तुम्हें ऑनलाइन क्लासेस सस्पेंड करते।
Chandra says, I lost the comment,
हाँ
sorry. Deepak G3 says we need Subo sir's speech. It
या
would be a nice idea to have him sometime, yes.
या सुभजीत सर इंग्लिश इज सुपर फ्लुएंट एट
Yes.
टाइम्स, लाइक ही अगर वो कुछ कहेंगे भी ना, मैं कहता हूँ हाँ सर आप जो बोल लो आप ही तो सही बोल लो, हमें क्या पता क्या कह रहे हैं। तो
He's a very well-read man on that.
या
Yeah.
ओके, सो आई गेस आई लीव।
Yes. The audience has been very supportive of you. Dude, what would you like to say on that?
थैंक यू, मतलब ये मेरा पहली बार था एंड ऑनलाइन में मेरे को डर ये लग रहा था, मेरे को पता नहीं चलता कि सामने क्या चल रहा है, तो मे
ये
भी
है
मतलब
जी।
मेरे को, हाँ तो वो मेरे को उसका
ऐसा
उस चीज का सबसे
फुल
ज्यादा डर लग
प्रोफेसर
रहा
वाला
था।
फील आ रहा है कि I'm speaking and I don't know what they
हाँ
feel.
मतलब अब लग रहा है कि कल की क्लास से ज्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा सर की।
Guilt में, yes.
या यस सर वी आर हियर।
Doesn't sir, yes sir.
यस
All right, Harsh. I think I can send you off now. It was great to
Yeah.
have you.
Okay,
All
thank you.
right. Vishwas, if you are there, we can have you now. Can you send a request? Moving on, next I'll invite upon a guy who will come with his words of power. Vishwas Srivastava from Quanta 14. Hello.
Hello. How are
Hello, how are you? I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I am fine too.
Fine. So,
I'm enjoying this session.
thank you. Thank you. We are glad you're enjoying it.
Yeah.
All right. So, how has life been during the pandemic, during these
After,
online classes? You have completed your first
after
year at CBS entirely online.
what can I do? So after assuming myself that I will have to wait more for offline classes, I don't see any hope of it. Yeah, so I would say that my virtual life has not been bad because I was with my family and friends during this whole time, and I attended my lecture from my friends' home. Like there's a group of my 4 or 5 friends, so they are doing online classes from their college. So we go together for in a different place, and then we attended together our classes. We're sitting near the river or near a temple even. Yeah, we have enjoyed. I have enjoyed my first virtual life. Yes. So if I had been in college, then I would not have been able to do so. But of
All
course,
right.
yeah, I am. But no, but of course, I am eagerly waiting for offline classes as I do not understand much lectures. I do not understand much lecture in online classes. Audio error, network problem breaks my flow. And also the way seniors describe their memories in series, like Shiraz Bhaiya sent so many pictures of the college and especially that garden.
Yes.
एंड
Yes.
साकेत भैया तो जलाते रहते हैं, वो मुझे मतलब पर्सनली भेज रहा है कि ये इस जगह पे हमने वॉक करी थी, साकेत भैया एंड राजशी भैया. And also especially the Q13 people describe the memories जिन्होंने खुद ही 8 से 9 मंथ की मुंबई में मतलब टाइम स्पेंड किया. So I am only blaming my luck, but if I remove my hopes of offline classes, then yeah, I have enjoyed because I was with my friends and I can't do this. I could not spend time with my friends during my 11th 12th class due to studies. Yeah, I wish I had the power to reopen colleges.
That
Yeah.
is a very optimistic way to look at things.
Yeah.
You have
Well,
a lot of fans in the comments. Let me tell you that. They are cheering for you from a distance. So, what are you going to perform for them this evening?
yeah. You all know that today is International Daughters Day. So I'm going to recite a poem on Beti Bachao, with
That's
title Ab
amazing.
Jeevan Jyot Jalane Do.
Okay.
Yeah. First few lines of my poem are inspired from a famous poet, Hariom Pawar. You all must have heard about him. And then the
Yeah.
rest, I have mixed up my feelings, my observations from that I have seen in ground level in society. If some girl has discussed his condition about her condition so I have mixed all of my feelings, my observation in this poem. So
Hmm.
if you allow me, then can I start?
Sure. Yes, please. Whenever you are comfortable, I'll leave the audience to you. Audience, please give a
Okay.
huge shout out for Vishwas.
Uh, कलियों को खिल जाने दो, मीठी खुशबू फैलाने दो। कलियों को खिल जाने दो, मीठी खुशबू फैलाने दो। बंद करो उनकी हत्या, अब जीवन ज्योत जलाने दो। बंद करो उनकी हत्या, अब जीवन ज्योत जलाने दो। कलियां जो तोड़ी तुमने, कलियां जो तोड़ी तुमने, तो फूल कहाँ से लाओगे? बेटी की हत्या करके तुम बहू कहाँ से लाओगे? बेटी की हत्या करके तुम बहू कहाँ से लाओगे? माँ धरती पर आने दो, उनको भी लहराने दो। बंद करो उनकी हत्या, अब जीवन ज्योत जलाने दो। तो अब सबसे ज्यादा अगर रिस्ट्रिक्शन किसी गर्ल को मिलती है तो वो विलेज लेवल पे मिलती है। रीजन कई सारे हैं, क्योंकि हमारे कल्चर में प्रॉपर लिखा नहीं हुआ है, बट मैनी पीपल आर डिराइव देयर ओन थॉट्स कि ये होता है तो वो होता है। तो बेसिकली सबसे ज्यादा रिस्ट्रिक्शन विलेज लेवल पे या एकदम पॉवर्टी वाले लेवल पे आती है, और उसका सबसे बड़ा रीजन भी ये हो सकता है कि वहाँ पे डिवोशनल एक्सपेक्ट ज्यादा है। तो आई एम सेइंग फ्यू लाइन्स ऑन दिस। माँ दुर्गा की पूजा करके, माँ दुर्गा की पूजा करके भक्त बड़े कहलाते हो। कहाँ गई वह भक्ति जब बेटी को मार गिराते हो? कहाँ गई वह भक्ति जब बेटी को मार गिराते हो? लक्ष्मी को जीवन पाने दो, घर आंगन दमकाने दो। बंद करो उनकी हत्या, अब जीवन ज्योत जलाने दो। थैंक यू। So that was a little poem, a short poem.
That was amazing. Thank you. Thank you for performing for us. It was actually moving. There are a lot of amazing comments from a lot of amazing people. Also, Ankit Anand Music has joined us, though he was our next performer. But like your excitement, Ankit. Thank you for joining us so soon. It is great to have you. He says, wow. Satru Komos sends his claps, TRS Toshi. There are a lot of amazing comments, Vishwas. Kakon Ghosh says, wow.
Thank you,
What
guys, and thank you too for inviting me. And I'm really glad to you invite, and you are managing this meet so nicely. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Vishwas. It was all our pleasure. Thank you for performing for us. I guess I can send you off now. Thank you for joining.
Okay. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Next, not so calm, he says, great effort. R.K. Bhadra says, I'm proud of you. Naman Mishra says, thanks, Vishwas. Thank you for being such a great audience. I can see that the comments are not stopping. You're such a lovely audience to perform too. So, as you all know, next in line we have the Instagram Live veteran with us, Ankit Anand Music from Quanta 13, and he will join us in a minute. So, how are you liking the show? We hope that you are having a good time. It is not very easy dealing with the monotony that the lockdown life gives you. We hope that this is a good time off from that gloomy side of life that we are living now. I guess there is a delay from Ankit's end, which is understandable. It happens. He will be with us in a minute. He's here.
Hey Ridhima.
Hello, Ankit. How are you?
Hi.
I'm
Good.
getting a black screen from your end.
Yeah, I'm getting it too. I don't know why.
Okay.
1 second.
Can you?
1 second. Okay.
It's
Fine.
green now. Okay.
Right. Is it good?
Yes, it's better now. So,
Sorry,
how
I'm
are you?
a little tired. Yeah, I'm good. How are
We
you?
understand. Ankit was very, very busy today, but he still found time to join us, to perform for us. Thank you so much for doing that. It's
You're
glad.
doing a great job.
Thank you so
You
much.
guys
It's
are
a pleasure to have you.
Yeah.
Sorry, were you
Should I
saying
begin?
something? I lost you.
Yeah. No, I was saying that you guys are doing great job. So that's why I
Thank you
wanted to
so much.
contribute part as well. Although I don't know if I can sing good right now, but I'll do something for you.
You will do great.
I'm
Have
really tired.
fun. I guess having fun is more important.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Correct.
go ahead. I'll leave the audience to you, and you can begin when you are comfortable.
Yeah. Just
A
tell
lot
me
of
if
people
my
are cheering for you in the comments.
yeah, they all are my friends.
Kakon Ghosh says, "भैया आपका music बहुत अच्छा है." We are
Thank
getting
you so
some
much.
requests as well. You can check them out
Annu
to
Malik.
see if you'll be willing to perform. Naman Mishra says CBS ka Annu Malik.
And
I'm not sure if that's a compliment or not.
I was asking for Tu Hi Bata. Hers, I'll sing it sometime, some other time. Today I planned something else. I don't want this
Fair enough.
to get ruined.
Fair enough.
One more thing. Is my keyboard sound clear?
Yes, it is.
Or do you want me to increase the volume?
It's all right, I guess.
Is
It's
it
all right.
fine blending with my voice?
Yes, it's good. So, you may begin.
Is that? दिल का दरिया बह ही गया, इश्क इबादत बन ही गया, खुद को मुझे तू सौंप दे, मेरी जरूरत तू बन गया, बात दिल की नजरों ने की, सच कह रहा तेरी कसम, तेरे बिन न लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना जाने लगे हम, तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म, तुझे कितना जाने लगे हम, ओ महफिल में तेरी हम ना रहे जो गम तो नहीं है, किससे हमारी नजदीकियों के कम तो नहीं है, कम तो नहीं है, कितनी दफा सुबह को मेरी तेरे आंगन में बैठे मैंने शाम किया, अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना, मेरे जिक्र का जुबा पे सवाद रखना, दिल के संदूकों में मेरे अच्छे काम रखना, चिट्ठी तारों में भी मेरा तू सलाम रखना, अंधेरा तेरा मैंने ले लिया, मेरा उजला सितारा तेरे नाम किया। चुन्ना मेरे या चुन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बेलिया। That was it. Thank you so
That
much.
was
I have to
amazing. हाँ,
emotional कर दिया।
easy said 13 says emotional कर दिया भैया आपने, कितनों का मूड बना दिया आपने, says विश्वास श्रीवास्तव।
जिनको
वो हाँ
इमोशनल कर दिया
मेरी के
उनको सॉरी। आई होप यू एंजॉय। हर्ष भाई
ऐसे भी कोई लाइफ से नहीं करते
दोबारा से आके हर्ष भाई दोबारा से आके मूड बनाएंगे उनका।
हाँ, और अभी अगर सूजी सर नहीं थे तो बुला लेते हैं उनको, 1-on-1 करवा लेते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
हाँ जी, such a melodious voice, awesome, wow, you're
Thank you
really
everyone.
awesome.
Thank you so much.
I think we are
5 minutes
blessed, says Naman Mishra. Yeah, loads of great comments from great people. That's good to see. We have such a great audience today.
Chansuda. Thank you, Chansuda.
Yeah. All right. So, did music help you pass the lockdown?
Yeah, definitely. That's why
I
we
see your
started.
live. You're performing great.
Uh,
Sorry, what?
yes. No, oh, okay. You were reading the comments.
No, actually not. I got a
Music
question. Parvez Maria says one day you will be among the top most singers of India.
No. Yes, I think. See,
That's such a lovely thing to say.
Yeah, I want Chansuda to perform.
Some people want you to perform once more. Would you like to go again?
Once. Let me see. बेपना प्यार है आजा, तेरा इंतजार है आजा, बेपना प्यार है आजा, तेरा इंतजार है आजा, सुना सुना लम्हा लम्हा तेरी राहें तन्हा तन्हा। That's it. I think. That was it.
That was impromptu में भी इतना अच्छा, बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात है. Thank you so much for going live again on our audience's request. I really appreciate your spirit.
Thank you so much. Harsh bhai, I'll definitely sing तू ही बता. No.
That was a blatant no. I'm sorry, Harsh. I guess we can send Ankit off now.
Yes.
I'll
sing
thank
तू ही
you
बता.
for joining us.
Maybe
Oh,
you'll be organizing
okay,
this
sure.
quite often, right? No, not now.
Yeah.
Next time.
Okay, not now.
You'll be
okay,
organizing
okay.
it, right?
Next time, sure. Yeah. This is
Yes,
something
definitely.
that we'll be doing from time to time.
Yeah,
So
that will be good. I'll definitely sing
okay.
तू ही बता next.
Okay, sure.
So,
We'd love to hear that.
I'm signing off. All the best.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care.
Bye bye. So it happened so that we actually had a special guest for you in line, but unfortunately he has had an accident just now and he won't be joining us. So I guess that what do you say? Should we have another performance, an impromptu performance, if you may? Can I have a reaction from the audience on that? Though there's a 30-second lag, so I'll have to wait for you to see this so that you can comment. But we can have an impromptu performance from the CBS Lifestyle page itself. There are a lot of requests for Chayan Sudhadi to perform. So Chayan Sudhadi, if you are willing to perform, you can send me a live request and I'll let you in. Oh, okay, there are some comments that are asking me to sing. Oh, where is I am? Okay, okay, I can sing. I haven't really prepared anything, but since we had this spot empty, uh, being a member of the team, I should go ahead, I guess. Right, so I will be singing Bodona by Sudha Mahapatra. If you have heard the song, if you have not heard the song, it is a beautiful song and you should go ahead and listen to it. I will begin. I I am having a network lag. I'll go off for a minute, please. All right. Thank you, guys and girls, for cheering me up like that. I'll begin. बोलो ना क्या हुआ हमको ये क्या हुआ हुई ऐसी बात क्या बोलो बोलो ना तुम दीवाना बुरा मेरे किस बात का है बात क्या बोलो बोलो ना तूने भी मैंने भी बदला क्यों रास्ता बोलो बोलो है बात क्या बोलो ना बोलो ना है हम दोनों में है बात क्या बोलो ना बोलो ना यूं छूटने की सब टूटने की वजह ही नहीं थी बजी हम दोनों में कैसी थी चुपके जगह ही नहीं थी बची फिर मैं चुप क्यों हुई फिर तू चुप क्यों हुआ ऐसा सब क्यों हुआ बोलो बोलो ना छोटी सी बात ने रोका है रास्ता है बात क्या बोलो बोलो ना तूने भी मैंने भी बदला क्यों रास्ता बोलो बोलो है बात क्या बोलो ना बोलो ना है हम दोनों में है बात क्या बोलो ना बोलो ना Thank you so much. That was my piece. I hope you liked it. Thank you for the wonderful comments that you people are sending forth. I don't deserve a medal, Naman. Your comment is enough. Thank you. Thanks, Anisha. Thanks, Jekon. Thank you, Anindya. Thank you, Setro Pramod. Thank you, RK Bhadra. You are the best. Thank you, Arnav. Thank you, Team. There are a lot of comments. Thank you, all of you. Most of you are people that I know and people from my class. Thank you for cheering me up like that. Not so Kalmui says epic performance. Thank you. Okay, well, with that, we come to the end of this evening. Thank you for being such a wonderful audience to perform to. Thank you for upping our spirits. Thank you for finding time to join us in this endeavor of ours. With that, I would sign off. This is Ridhima Srivastava from the team of CBS _lifestyle. Bye, people. It was great to have you.